Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for quite some time, but I said to myself, like, my favorite season is approaching, so might as well come back and do a few videos for you guys. So right now I have this little eye look that I'm going with. I just got up this morning, I was like, whatever, let's just have some fun. And this top I'm wearing is from Zara. I'm going to be doing some big changes to my space, so I want to give that a little video for you guys. It's probably going to take about 2 months really to get everything complete, but I'm pretty excited. Right now I'm just doing some cleaning and packing away some of my stuff. I'm going to show you guys my table. I'm going to get rid of this table, but it's super cute, so I'm just going to show you guys the decorations that I did for it, and then I'm gonna be getting rid of it. I'm gonna miss it though. It was a cute workstation I set up for myself just because I wanted to start getting things done, which I'm always trying to do, get things done, but unfortunately, like half the things get done, half don't, but that's fine. That's just how life works. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what that looks like, and then I think we're gonna go outside for a bit and, I don't know, enjoy the weather. Okay, so this is my desk. I got the base from IKEA and the wood from my local lumber store. This is my little spider that I got a while ago, maybe like 2 years ago. Glass spider, super cute. Then I got this stone. I think I got it from... Where did I get this from? I completely forgot. But that little vase over there, the brown wood one, I got it from Poshmark, and this glass vase here I got from Poshmark as well. And this little glass here and this little cup glass here, I got it from Goodwill, as well as my Jack and Jill little mice over there from Goodwill. And that candle stand is also from Goodwill. This is my favorite bag at the moment. I got it from Mango. And I made this little book here, and I also made this little daily planner here. It just has like mood, today's goal, weather, exercise, today's appointments, and things to get done today. Because, you know, gotta keep it simple. And yeah, this is my little table. This chair I got also from IKEA. So yeah, that was my table. My cute table. I'm gonna have to look online and figure out what I'm gonna use as a new desk for work, whatever, because I don't know, when I first got this one I was like, oh, this is perfect, and for some strange reason, like, I find myself always changing out my furniture. Like, I'm never completely stuck to one thing, which I don't think is super bad, but at the same time, like, it's always just like work to try to find something new that I'm gonna love for a very long time. Like, when I say long time, I mean like at least 2 years. Sometimes I get rid of things within 6 months, but that's okay. But anywho, I'm also gonna be doing some videos for skincare because I am in need of a new skincare routine and a new diet. As you can see, I am breaking out just a bit. I don't mind though. I never had issues with my skin popping up with little pimples or little things of that sort because they usually just go away. But I don't know. I've been getting a few more than I'm used to, so it's fine. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna start doing a skincare routine. Probably the next video, we'll see what happens. I don't really have any plans about how this is gonna go. I'm just gonna get up in the morning whenever I feel that I can, you know, and then I'll just have some videos ready for you guys. Because, I don't know, for the rest of this year and the next, I really want to get more productive, you know, be more productive. But yeah, so skincare is in the works, and maybe some hair care videos, maybe. I don't know, because I'm gonna box braid my hair very soon, maybe like within the next 2 days. So maybe I'll do a video on how to do that, or how I do that, because I'm not a professional, you know, but I guess the job's done. So yeah. Oh, I almost completely forgot that today is Labor Day and it's hectic outside, so we're not gonna be going outside today. We're just gonna be inside cleaning, or I don't know what to do, guys. Because honestly, like, I completely forgot. I was thinking like maybe I would go and get some like food or something, but that seems to not be happening. So I'm just gonna clean and organize, and I might show you guys the mess that I made in this space, but I don't know yet, because I'm not a messy girl, but I mean, obviously I'm reorganizing and, you know, like I said, making some changes to my space. So yeah, I'll show you something, not the whole thing, not the whole mess. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you guys like how I placed everything so far. I put some things in boxes, some things in bags. There's a few other things over here that I need to get together, but that's about it. I semi-organized everything. This couch here I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna change out my sliding doors because, you know, it was good for the time that it was, and now I need something else. And then my TV is on a little stick stand, so I gotta change that out too. And then I got that little hole in the wall. I need to clear that out. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna be changing out my floors. I actually put these down myself, but now I'm gonna change them out to something a little bit brighter, because I'm not really too fond of the black anymore, but it was cool while it lasted. So yeah. Now that I got that done, I'm pretty much done for the day. I should have showed you guys the cleaning portion, but honestly, it's too much. So thank you guys for watching this quick little video. It could have been longer, but like I said, they're having the parade outside and I am not trying to go out there. It's already too hot in here. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Bye.